How to remove scrapes and scuffs. Hello friends. Today we will talk about how to remove scrapes and scuffs. Even the most well-maintained homes occasionally contain mysterious scrapes and scuffs on walls, baseboards, doors, and floors. Just because these marks are common doesn't mean you have to live with them. Remove unwanted scuffs and keep your home's surfaces looking like new using the tips listed below as your guide. 1. Go easy. Scuffs on floors and walls are often easier to remove when they're fresh. Rather than reaching for harsh chemicals first, try plain water. Start with a damp, soft cloth or sponge, and gently wipe the mark to keep the surface safe. Be careful to work only on the mark itself, and resist the urge to scour the surrounding area. Whether or not the marks disappear with this first step, wipe with a soft, dry cloth. 2. Test surfaces. Before applying any type of solution to your walls, floors, or woodwork, test on a small, inconspicuous area to prevent damage. 3. Erase your mistakes. A clean pencil eraser is a non-chemical alternative to removing scrapes and scuffs. Rub gently back and forth over the affected area until the mark is removed. 4. Get back to basics. A simple solution of soap and water can be used to clean many household surfaces, including floors and walls. Place a few drops of mild dish soap into a small bowl of warm water and gently stir. Dip in your soft cloth or sponge, and wring out before gently scrubbing the mark, making sure not to saturate the area, and finish by wiping dry with a soft, clean cloth. 5. Tennis anyone. A clean tennis ball can be an effective tool against scuff marks, thanks to the soft felt coating. For larger jobs, cut a small X into the ball, and insert a stick to serve as a handle. Use a gentle hand if using for wall scuffs, and apply more pressure for floor scuffs. 6. Grab the baking soda. Baking soda mixed with water is a mildly abrasive, eco-friendly cleaner, which can be applied with a soft cloth or sponge. Mix a solution of 1 tablespoon baking soda per 1 cup of warm water, and stir before using. 7. Try toothpaste. On walls with a satin or glossy finish or floors with ceramic or laminate tile, using a cotton swab or clean, soft bristled toothbrush may work by gently rubbing a small amount of white, non-gel toothpaste on scuff marks. Wipe the area with a clean damp cloth, and dry. 8. Make a little magic. Melamine foam squares or sponges may remove stubborn wall scuffs, using mild pressure. Dampen the sponge and wring it out, prior to use. This magical tool can be quite powerful, so be careful and focus on the mark and not the surrounding paint, which can also be removed with too much scrubbing. 9. Apply WD-40. Try WD-40 on stubborn floor scuffs on your ceramic or laminate tile. Whenever using an intense product, ensure the room is well ventilated before you begin. Spray the solution directly onto the affected area, and use a soft bristled brush to scrub. Rinse the area well afterward, as residue can be slippery. 10. Try something stronger. Paint thinner, nail polish remover, and other solvent-based solutions should be used sparingly, and only as a last resort. Because of their capacity to remove paint, carefully apply a small amount of the liquid to a cotton swab, and dab gently directly on the scuff mark, until you've achieved the desired result. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the engineer AJ Lard's channel, How to Make My House.